to the channel. I hope everybody is having an amazing day today. As you can tell, we are back to purple. I feel like a brand new person. So, for today's video, as you read, we are going to be going over the Violet Voss Wild Dahlia Fun Size Palette from Violet Voss. I don't even know if I just said that. Anyway, I got this palette in my friend mail from Busy Beauty, and if you're new to my channel, neutrals and naturals are not really my cup of tea, but this palette is absolutely beautiful. The golds and olives and neutrals in here are just stunning. So I did look this palette up. You can get it at Sephora for $18. They have a variety of these fun size palettes like this. Berries and violets, and I found one called Windflower. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'll try to put a picture in of it. But it's limited edition, and you can only get that one at Sephora. So this is great for travel. Beautiful fall palette. I mean, just stunning. Easy looks. Great for travel if you are traveling. So let's go ahead and get in here and do a look with it, because I can't wait to use it. I am going to be using my Icing eyeshadow primer base. I'm going to be doing the Classic Vanilla. Is that what it was? Yeah. Classic Vanilla. So how is everybody doing? Welcome to fall. So many of us are glad that it's here. It is back to, I can open the windows throughout the day now, which I'm loving that. Not really an air conditioner kind of person until it gets obsessively hot. So the sooner I can turn that thing off, the happier I usually am. I enjoy the fresh air. So I am very much a window and fan person. I do have a fan on if you can hear it. I do apologize. We also have a friend. Fred is back. I don't pick at my face, but I do use one of these mean looking bad boys right here for blackheads and such. So Fred is here. Fred is on his way out, and we hope he doesn't return. So there is that eye base. So let's go ahead and get in here. There are no names of the shades, so there's that. Okay, so I'm going to go into this light cream color first. Ooh, very pigmented. Oh, that's a tad bit darker than what I thought it was going to be. And I did get my Surge palette in from Blend Bunny Cosmetics, but it came with a shade Broken, and the beautiful gold color in there was demolished. So I am waiting on a replacement palette. Customer service was amazing. I will go into that more on that video. And I want to do another look with my Michaela palette, because my first one, I'm sure will be up by the time this goes up, was horrible. Horrible, horrible. So there is that first color. It is a little darker than what I wanted, so I'm going to go into this lighter color, just ever so slightly. Alright. Now I'm going to go into this deeper brown. I know I just said that was so deep, but it's really not the color I thought it was going to be. So that is a beautiful color. Beautiful, beautiful color. So I am a Violet Voss lover. I do love her formula. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know if you enjoy Violet Voss. Alright. Now I'm going to go into this darker. I'm hoping it's black. Or an olive green. I'm going to say it's black, but you never know. So super pretty so far. Okay. I do want to go back into that brown just a tad and replace where I feel like it took it away. Okay, now I'm going to take that white color and just blend ever so slightly. Okay, so I am going to use this green shimmer and this gold shimmer. But I'm going to pause, do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back with my look and opinion on this beautiful palette. So, okay guys, so we are back with the finished look. So I did use the green in the front and the gold pretty much in the middle, above my pupil, to draw the attention to my eyes. Although I did use the Glam Light Donut Lashes that totally like covers up almost this whole look. So the Wild Dahlia palette, I absolutely love it. I think if you work in an office setting, this is a perfect day to night palette. Very much a neutral, easy 5-minute look. You can go dark to light. There are still a few colors in here that I did not use, which I will be getting back into, but absolutely stunning palette. Like I said, you can get it at Sephora for $18, or you can go see my girl Stephanie at Bizybeautystore on IG. That is where I got it from. She does do beauty makeup boxes. They start at $50 and they go up. I get a friend mail box from her every month and I absolutely enjoy it. You can look up Bizybeautystore unboxings on YouTube and see other people and what they have received. You are not going to find anybody who has anything bad to say about one of her boxes. So Stephanie, thank you very much for sending this to me. Like I said, I did pair it with the Donut Lashes from Glamlight. I used the Anastasia Brow Definer in Chocolate, which I also received from Bizybeautystore. I used the Touch and Soul Glowdient makeup palette for my highlight. It's just a super soft, stunning highlight. I mean, you can see for yourself. It's just beautiful. And I used the first two shades and I just blend them together. I've used these two for blushes and I've used the bottom one to Boom my bronzer. I did purchase some of the Uma Beauty Flawless Skin Perfecting Foundation. This again was recommended from Pop Lux. I am in the color Honey Honey T2. I absolutely love it. I do think that it oxidizes a little bit when I put it on. I did use the Maybelline Sky High mascara on my lower lash line, or my lower lashes. And I used the Lime Crime Diamond Crushers in the color Summer for my lips. Now, this was sent to me also by Busy Beauty, and this is one of my absolute favorite lips that she has ever sent me. It's just a beautiful shimmery color. It goes with everything. So I do like the palette. Let me know if you hit up Bizybeautystore and pick up that palette, or if you pick up that palette at Sephora. Let me know what you think about the look. I think it came out super beautiful. So guys, that is my, oh, my bad. I did use the Orza Beauty Champagne Shimmer Eyeshadow as this color as my brow bone and inner corner highlight. That is one of the only complaints I have about this palette. There's nothing to do an inner corner highlight or a brow bone. I mean, you do have the white. I'm more of a shimmer kind of highlight person, so that would never work for me. But that is what I used on my face. I think the look came out beautiful. It's a beautiful fall color. Let me know what you think, and I will put some pictures of the look in here. So until next time, guys, remember, nothing is impossible. Even the word itself says I'm possible. If you're new here, hi, I'm Becca. Thanks for checking out this video. I greatly appreciate it. Please do give me a like, give me a dislike, subscribe if you're not, hit that bell, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you're a Violet Voss lover and what your favorite palette is by her. So until next time, guys, I love you.